Hey there API developers, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to produce SDKs, also known as client libraries, in every major programming language for a FastAPI application, and we're going to do it all in under 60 seconds. One of the things I love about FastAPI is that it automatically generates an open API specification, which is what we'll need to generate our SDKs. So for this demo, I'm going to use the full stack FastAPI template project, which I'll start with Docker. So let's start a timer. First, I'll create my project directory. Then I'll grab the OpenAPI spec directly from our running server. Now that I have my OpenAPI spec downloaded, I'll initialize my project directory by running Liblab init. I'll select all the languages for this demo, but for your own projects, you can feel free to select only what you need. Then I'll give my project a name. Let's call it FastAPI. And I'll select the GPL license. I'll get prompted to build my project, but I'll say no for now since I need to set the base URL first, which I'll point to my local FastAPI server. When you're ready to build your project, just run liblab build. The build process will validate your OpenAPI spec and then start building your SDKs. The whole process takes about 15 seconds. So let's just fast forward. And done. My project is now built. Let's look at the output directory where we can see the generated client library. These are fully built and ready for me to deploy to their respective package managers, such as NPM, PyPy, and Maven. But for the time being, I'll just use them locally. To demonstrate the library in action, I'll go to the TypeScript example folder where a sample project has been created. I'm going to copy over a modified example which you can see here. It's a simple project that shows how to request an authentication token from our API. I'll run npm run setup to install the SDK locally, and then npm run start to make the request. And there we go. We've successfully made an authenticated request to our FastAPI server using our generated SDK. That's all there is to it. FastAPI makes it incredibly easy to get an open API spec, and with Liblab, you can turn that into client libraries in under a minute. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out the links down below. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.